Geiranger Fjord is one of Norway's most breathtaking fjords, known for its deep blue waters and towering cliffs. Surrounded by lush greenery and dramatic waterfalls like the Seven Sisters, it offers stunning views. Visitors can take boat cruises, kayak through the calm waters, or hike the scenic trails. The fjord is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, attracting nature lovers from around the world. Its untouched beauty makes it a true Norwegian gem. The Lofoten Islands are famous for their dramatic mountain peaks, sandy beaches, and picturesque fishing villages. Located above the Arctic Circle, they offer stunning views of the northern lights in winter and the midnight sun in summer. Visitors can explore the charming red cabins, known as rorbuer, which sit along the waterfront. The islands are also a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, offering activities like hiking, fishing, and kayaking. With its unique landscape, Lofoten is a dream destination for photographers. Trolltunga, meaning troll's tongue, is one of Norway's most famous hiking destinations. This unique rock formation juts out over 700 meters above Lake Ringedalsvatnet, offering an incredible panoramic view. The hike to Trolltunga is challenging, spanning about 20 kilometers, but the reward is worth it. Adventurers from all over the world visit to capture breathtaking photos at the cliff's edge. The experience of standing on Trolltunga is both thrilling and unforgettable. Bergen, known as the gateway to the fjords, is a charming city surrounded by mountains and sea. Its most famous attraction is Bryggen Wharf, a UNESCO-listed site with colorful wooden buildings dating back to the Hanseatic era. Visitors can stroll through the historic streets, explore museums, and enjoy fresh seafood at the local markets. The Fløibanen funicular takes visitors to the top of Mount Fløyen for spectacular views of the city. Bergen's rich history and scenic beauty make it a must-visit destination. Preikestolen, or Pulpit Rock, is a dramatic cliff that rises 604 meters above Lysefjord. The hike to the top is about 8 kilometers round trip and offers breathtaking views along the way. The flat-topped cliff provides a perfect spot for visitors to sit and admire the stunning fjord below. It is one of Norway's most popular hiking destinations, attracting thousands of adventurers each year. The thrilling experience of standing on Preikestolen is unforgettable. Svalbard, an Arctic archipelago, is one of the northernmost inhabited places on Earth. It is home to breathtaking glaciers, rugged mountains, and a diverse range of Arctic wildlife, including polar bears, reindeer, and Arctic foxes. Visitors can experience the magical northern lights in winter and the midnight sun in summer. Svalbard also offers thrilling activities such as dog sledding, snowmobiling, and ice cave exploration. This remote destination is perfect for those seeking a true Arctic adventure. The Atlantic Road is one of the most scenic drives in the world, stretching across small islands and skerries along Norway's rugged coastline. This unique road features dramatic bridges, including the famous Storseisundet Bridge, which appears to curve into the ocean. The drive offers stunning views of the Norwegian Sea, especially during stormy weather when waves crash against the road. It is a favorite route for photographers, road trip enthusiasts, and nature lovers. The Atlantic Road is an unforgettable journey through Norway's coastal beauty. Nordkapp, or North Cape, is the northernmost point of mainland Europe, offering breathtaking views of the Arctic Ocean. It is a popular destination to witness the midnight sun in summer and the northern lights in winter. The Nordkapp Globe Monument stands as a symbol of reaching the end of the world. Visitors can explore the North Cape Hall, which features exhibitions, a cafe, and a panoramic viewing platform. Nordkapp is a once-in-a-lifetime experience for those seeking Arctic adventure. Røros is a beautifully preserved mining town and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Known for its charming wooden houses and rich cultural heritage, it offers visitors a glimpse into Norway's past. The town's Christmas market is one of the most magical in Scandinavia, drawing visitors with its cozy atmosphere. Røros is also famous for its delicious local food, including reindeer meat and traditional flatbread. Exploring this historic town feels like stepping back in time. Jotunheimen National Park Known as the home of the giants, is Norway's premier hiking and mountaineering destination. It is home to Norway's highest peaks, including Galdhøpiggen, which stands at 2,469 meters. The park features breathtaking landscapes with glaciers, deep valleys, and crystal-clear lakes. Popular hikes include the Beseggen Ridge, offering panoramic views of the Gjende Lake. Jotunheimen is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Rome, the capital of Italy, is a city rich in history, art, and architecture. Iconic landmarks such as the Colosseum, the Pantheon, and the Roman Forum attract millions of visitors each year. The Vatican City, home to St. Peter's Basilica, and the Sistine Chapel, is a must-visit. Walking through the cobbled streets, you'll find charming piazzas, fountains, and world-class restaurants. Rome is a perfect blend of ancient ruins and modern Italian culture. Venice is one of the most romantic and unique cities in the world, famous for its canals and gondola rides. The Grand Canal is lined with stunning palaces, while St. Mark's Basilica and the Doge's Palace showcase remarkable architecture. The city's labyrinthine alleys lead to charming bridges and hidden courtyards. Piazza San Marco is a vibrant hub where visitors can enjoy coffee at historic cafes. Every year, the Venice Carnival adds a magical atmosphere with its elaborate masks and costumes. Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, is a city of art and culture. The Uffizi Gallery houses masterpieces by Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Botticelli. The Florence Cathedral, with its magnificent dome designed by Brunelleschi, dominates the skyline. Ponte Vecchio, a medieval bridge lined with shops, is a charming spot to visit. Strolling through Florence feels like walking through a living museum. The city is also known for its Tuscan cuisine and world-class wines. The Amalfi Coast is a stunning stretch of coastline along the Tyrrhenian Sea, famous for its colorful villages and breathtaking views. Towns like Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello offer picturesque streets, seaside cliffs, and vibrant flowers. Visitors can explore hidden beaches, taste delicious seafood, and enjoy scenic boat rides. The drive along the winding coastal road is one of the most scenic in the world. The Amalfi Coast is a perfect destination for relaxation and romance. Cinque Terre, meaning 5 lands, is a collection of 5 charming fishing villages along the Ligurian coast. Each village, Monterosso, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Rio Maggiore, boasts colorful houses perched on cliffs overlooking the sea. The hiking trails connecting the villages provide breathtaking views of the Mediterranean. Local seafood and pesto dishes are a must-try. Cinque Terre's unique charm and preserved beauty make it a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Tuscany is known for its picturesque countryside, rolling hills, and world-famous vineyards. The region is home to historic towns such as Siena, San Gimignano, and Pisa, each with its own unique charm. Visitors can enjoy wine tasting in Chianti, explore medieval castles, and admire sunflower-filled landscapes. Florence, the capital of Tuscany, is the cultural heart of the region. The relaxed pace of life and delicious cuisine make Tuscany an unforgettable destination. Milan is Italy's hub for fashion, design, and finance, offering a mix of history and modernity. The city's top attraction is the magnificent Duomo di Milano, a stunning Gothic cathedral. The Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II is a historic shopping arcade filled with luxury boutiques and cafes. Milan is also home to Leonardo da Vinci's famous painting, The Last Supper. With its trendy neighborhoods and vibrant nightlife, Milan is a must-visit for art and fashion lovers. Lake Como is a stunning glacial lake surrounded by lush mountains and elegant villas. The charming lakeside towns of Bellagio, Varenna, and Menaggio offer breathtaking views and luxurious resorts. Visitors can take boat tours, explore historic gardens, or simply relax by the water. Celebrities and travelers alike are drawn to the serene beauty of the lake. Whether for romance or relaxation, Lake Como is an idyllic escape. Sicily, the largest island in the Mediterranean, boasts a rich history, stunning coastlines, and delicious cuisine. The ancient ruins of Agrigento's Valley of the Temples and the Roman mosaics of Villa Romana del Casale are must-see sites. Mount Etna, Europe's highest and most active volcano, offers exciting hiking experiences. Sicilian food, including arancini, cannoli, and fresh seafood, is world-famous. The island's mix of cultures makes it a fascinating destination. Sardinia is an island paradise known for its pristine beaches and turquoise waters. The Costa Smeralda, Emerald Coast, is famous for its luxury resorts and glamorous atmosphere. Adventurous travelers can explore the rugged landscapes of the Supramonte, mountains, or visit the ancient Nuragic ruins. Sardinia's traditional cuisine, including roasted suckling pig and handmade pasta, is a treat for food lovers. Whether for adventure or relaxation, Sardinia offers a unique Italian experience.